I let it all hang out. That was the answer I got when I asked Aaron Buchner, financial planner and founder of Cactus, what his secret behind marketing success, specifically video marketing success, was. Wait. Before we dive into the conversation with today's guest, welcome to the Real Finfluencers, a podcast born from our original video series spotlighting financial professionals who are using video to grow their business and their influence. Here's something you should know. Most of these guests aren't Idea Decanter clients. They've built their digital presence from the ground up, and they're here to share exactly how they did it. I'm your host, Laura Garfield, co-founder of Idea Decanter, and my goal is simple: help you discover strategies you can actually use, steal what works, get inspired, and find your own unique brand of finfluence. Now let's get into it. Aaron, thanks so much for joining me.
You're welcome. It's great to be here and talk on video like I do almost daily now.
I just saw you featured on Derek Pollard and Katie Braden's 10-minute marketing makeover show. I have to say, your brand needs absolutely no makeover. I'm going to do a quick share of your website because I think the shock and awe of the beauty of it is enough. Your brand, prick-free financial advice. It's a little edgy.
It is a little edgy. It's a little bit out there, but it's who I am. And when my marketing agency came up with it, and that's how they introduced it to me, was the prick-free, I laughed. I said, that's it. Like, it was sold, sealed. That was the tag.
Cactus, which came first, like the chicken or the egg? The prick-free or the cactus?
The prick-free did. Yeah, it was the prick-free. That's how they sold it to me. The name for the company didn't matter after that. They could have called it gobbledygook, and I would have been sold.
Well, I'm just doing a little scroll through the coolest things about this website. We're here to talk about your status as a real finfluencer, so I don't want to dwell too much on web design, but I think this is really cool and wanted to make sure that all the advisors out there got a chance to experience prick-free. Tell me a little bit. You said you record videos almost daily. Why?
When a lot of it is just the creative juices flow at random times. It's never a script I want to be. It's just a thought comes in my head. I'm like, oh, I have to do this. So I'll record a video for it. And sometimes they are videos that go onto YouTube or LinkedIn. Sometimes they're stories with Instagram. So they're just quick captions of what my day-to-day life is and what's going on with me, or a thought in my head.
What is your goal behind picking up? I'm assuming you're recording it on your phone. What's your thought behind picking up your phone, pressing record, sharing something that's kind of personal? What are you trying to do?
Give people a glimpse into who I am, who the prick-free financial advice is. So it's everyone knows credentials and knowledge and books and having that, but they want to know who the person is, because in the end, they want to build that trust and that rapport. And if they can understand a little bit more about who I am and how I work, it's an advantage for me with clients coming in.
So let's talk a little bit about your strategy over on Instagram. It's a platform, I feel like it's the least used platform for most financial advisors, some because of compliance reasons. But why do you think Instagram is a place worth investing your time?
I think a lot of it is for the video content. Video is huge over there, and they're played wildly all the time. So having those videos out there, it's a quick way to put a 30-second video out there that can be scripted and finished in a couple minutes. And then also put those day-to-day life activities in the stories of just what's going on, what's happening in your life daily, and allow the people to get a glimpse of who you are as a person. It's like I said, it's let it all hang out. I want people to know who I am and why I am the way I am.
Well, I think for anyone who's out there podcasting, getting onto Instagram, leveraging reels with short format content, leveraging YouTube shorts with format content, that's what people are watching. So I think it's brilliant that you can kind of take the content you're already creating and repurpose it on those platforms. Makes it easy, right?
Oh, absolutely. When we can take a long podcast episode that's 20 minutes and find those little 15, 30, 60-second clips, and then just put them out, and people are watching them like crazy. My short clips on YouTube are beating my podcast views. You're talking about like 500 views within a day, within 24 hours. And you're just going to complain about 500 people seeing you in a day. That's amazing.
Well, my personal favorite over on YouTube is this video. For anyone who hasn't watched it yet, what's it about?
That one was the spew of what we talked about with the podcast, but it's just a glimpse of myself, of how I spend my money. Because people say people spend things on silly things, and I've seen clips of people say, "Oh, how could someone spend so much money on like a Taylor Swift concert where their tickets are some like $3,000? I don't know what they're going for." But it's like, I go to concerts all the time, so I spend money all the time. I just got that tattoo, which most people would say, "Why would I ever drop that money on a tattoo? $500 on a tattoo?" It's like, I wanted it. It's just who I am. And I wanted people to understand, like, I am just a real person who's out there in the mosh pit with everyone else at a concert.
If you had one piece of advice to share with an advisor out there who is interested in getting into video but hasn't yet, what would it be?
Besides just do it anyways, is put your personality out there. That's the benefit of the video. People are here, they want to know who you are as a person and be entertained. And the best way to be entertained outside of giving them education is just show a little bit about yourself and let it shine through.
I'd like to leave you with this. If Aaron can do it, you can do it too. And if you're looking to build authority and grow your practice with video, but you need some help, check out Idea Decanter. Oh, one more thing. If you're not already part of Idea Decanter's Real Finfluencer community, now is your chance to join us. Head to ideadecanter.com/join, and you'll be in. You'll get early access to advisor video tips, invites to exclusive events, and behind-the-scenes insights that you won't find on Google or even on ChatGPT. Whether you're just video curious or already knee-deep in content creation, this is the place to grow your influence with video. Don't miss out. And thanks so much for listening to The Real Finfluencers.